How to enable the voiceover in PhotoMath app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the PhotoMath app, launch the app on your phone. Now, you need to know that in order to enable the voiceover in PhotoMath app, you must upgrade to a PhotoMath Plus subscriptions, which will include the voiceover in its animated tutorials. If you want the alternative, you can also use the accessibility feature of your iPhone or your Android. For example, I'm using my Android phone, so I'll go to my settings. Now find the accessibility option over here. Tap on it. On your Android phone, you will see the talkback option over here. Tap on it. Talkback basically provides the spoken feedback, so you can use the device without looking at the screen. So it'll give a voiceover in your screen. Read the instructions on how to turn it on. After that, you can head over to the PhotoMath app, scan the problems that you want to solve, and when it gives you the solution, you can turn on the talkback feature. And it'll give you the voiceover through the explanation of the solutions. So that's it. That's how you can easily enable voiceover in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.